Trigonometric functions are real numbers. Recall that a function is a rule that assigns each real number to another real number, or each x value to a y value. So what is a trigonometric function? Well, we have the sine function of an angle t. Remember that these are angles. We have cosine of t, tangent of t, then we have cosecant of t, secant of t, and cotangent of t. So what does this mean when we're looking at a unit circle? Well, if we have an angle t right there, we define sine of t to be this y value. So the height over the radius. So sine of t equals my y over my radius, which in the case of the unit circle is 1. So this tells me that the y value of this point is sine of t. And now let's look at what cosine of t is. So cosine is going to be this x value over the radius, 1. So cosine of t equals x over r, which in the case of our unit circle, our radius is 1, so we get x. So this point right here has the coordinate cosine of t, sine of t. Then we define cosecant of t to be our r over y, which in the case of the unit circle is 1 over y. Secant is r over x, which in the case of our unit circle is 1 over x. And now let's talk about the tangent and cotangent. So tangent of our angle t is going to be y over x. And then our cotangent is going to be x over y. So what do we notice about some of these functions right here? Well, we know that y can't be 0 for our cosecant. We know that x can't be 0 for our secant. We know that y cannot be 0 for our cotangent, and x cannot be 0 for our tangent.